What's going on, guys? Mr. Red, White, and Disclosure in the house. How's everybody doing on this beautiful Sunday morning? We woke up today in Buffalo, New York. It was a cold, crisp morning today. The windshield, was all water. It didn't rain last night, so the windshield was, not a frost, but, there was a lot of dew. The grass had a lot of dew on it. There was just water dripping everywhere, and it was chilly this morning. It was actually pretty nippy here in Buffalo, New York. It got pretty nippy last night. You needed to wear a hoodie. Now this is only August 11th. So for it to be getting that cold that quick, somebody yesterday said on my live feed, have I noticed some of the leaves starting to change? And I have already. I have, like this tree on KFC's parking lot here. You can see the one leaf starting to turn yellowish, reddish, orange there. I don't know if you can see that, but yes, it seems like autumn is coming earlier because the temperatures, we're not used to it getting this cold overnight, during the summertime here. So, things are getting very strange. Today is August 11th, like I said. Gilbert Gottfried made that, announcement on his social media site about stay away from the Golden Gate Bridge on August 11th. Well, we're going to see if that guy's a prophet today because, like I said, it is August 11th. So we're going to see if anything happens in San Francisco near the Golden Gate Bridge. So keep an eye on that today, people. Keep an eye on that. I'm going to be showing a couple different videos after I'm done talking here. The first video I'm going to show you guys is the chemtrails that I had this morning over Buffalo, New York, and it was in a perfect shape of a triangle. It was almost like the Illuminati sign, that almighty triangle, the powers that be, the people that are really running this sick world. Well, there was a giant triangle going right through the sun this morning, and I got it on video. And it's basically them letting us know, they're in charge. Yeah, we're in charge of this whole geoengineering bullcrap program. And why else would they be making perfect triangles near the sun with their chemtrails? And these were big plumes of smoke, so you're going to see that. Plus, I'm going to be posting a video out of Slovakia that shows strange sounds. This strange sound coming out of the sky in Slovakia. Something weird's been going on in Slovakia over the past couple of months, over the last year for that matter. There's been numerous videos coming out of Slovakia from all different locations of this strange sound coming from the sky or coming from space. So I'm going to post the Illuminati Triangle chemtrail. Then I'm going to post the strange sounds over Slovakia. And also, I'm going to post a fantastic UFO sighting coming out of Kurdistan, I believe it is. I don't know how you say it. Kurdish. The people are speaking Kurdish in the video, so it's got to be from Kurdistan or however you say the country. So you're going to have an Illuminati chemtrail, strange sounds over Slovakia, and a recent UFO sighting over, over the Kurds. So enjoy, people. Have a wonderful Sunday. And don't forget, everybody, to come by my live feed tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. We have a good time. We talk about all the happenings going on in space, all the happenings going on in our skies and right here on Earth. We talk about UFOs, conspiracy theories. We talk about women's clothing, whatever. We talk about it all on my live feeds. We don't hold back, and we cuss like truckers, and we have a good old time. So if you can, stop by tonight, 8 o'clock. I'd love to see you guys there. And I hope you guys enjoy the videos. Peace and love to you all. And have a blessed Sunday, y'all. Peace out. Triangle. See the triangle, people? You see the triangle? Illuminati. That's the Illuminati, people. Letting us know we're still in charge up here. Yeah, we're chemtrail in the skies. So what? Look at that. Fucking perfect triangle almost. Looks like a fucking kite. Perfect triangle. Giant chemtrail going right through the sun as it's rising. I'm currently on my way to work in Tonawanda, New York. Got another plane chemtrailing. Alright guys, I gotta shut this off. I'm gonna be driving past the police station, so just wanted you guys to see the Illuminati Triangle. They were just fucking.